This well-cared-for 2013 Dodge Journey shows like new in storm grey pearl metallic with color-matched mirrors and door handles and rear privacy glass. This Journey shows well from all angles and features roof rails and crossbars. The hatch opens to reveal a spacious cargo area with clean carpeting and built-in tie-downs. From the driver's side, this 7-passenger SUV includes 17-inch alloy wheels, a sporty grille design, and tasteful chrome accents. Inside, the interior is in pristine condition and features power windows and locks, cruise control, tilt steering, a dual-zone air conditioning, and an AM/FM CD audio display with Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary outputs. The passenger area provides ample space and functionality with 60/40 folding middle bench seats and optional third-row seating. The engine compartment is clean and power comes from an economical 2.4-liter 4-cylinder mated to an automatic transmission. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.